Greetings ladies and gents, AUSSIE from Heathen Sen here and welcome to my channel. Now today we've got an unboxing and first impression of a new men's grooming company, AUSSIE Grooming Co. And just recently I joined a Facebook page called the Aussie Gentleman that, it's all about talking about fragrances and also talking about men's grooming products, mainly men's grooming products, like showing off what we've got and just random sort of things like that, having good conversations, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below for that page. Come join us if you got a beard, growing a beard, want to know what's out there in terms of grooming products and etc, and do like the whole scent of the day sort of thing, so everything to do with fragrance and men's grooming products. Anyway, onto the video. So I'm just going to cover my address over here. So there we go. We've got the box. Let's get this all opened up. Yeah, a big thanks to Kieran from AUSSIE Grooming Co. for this. I won this as a giveaway, so I feel really spoiled. I really appreciate that, mate. So let's get onto it. Nicely bubble wrapped and everything like that. So done really well there. Both love and hate bubble wrap for obvious reasons. Wow. Check out that packaging. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? Nice sort of diamond pattern on there and everything like that. It's mainly matte with a little bit of gloss. You've got the company logo right there. And let's get this opened up. I suck at these things, just so you know. There we go. Okay. So, get this. I already forget what I actually got in here exactly, but wow, look at that. So, what have we got? We have got pre-shave oil. That's pretty cool. So, and what have we got over here? This is really nicely packaged, honestly, just very, very safe. I like that. Keeping all the products nicely in there. Okay, we have got shaving cream, sandalwood based. Really nice. I love sandalwood. Makes it nice and creamy. And what else do we have? Okay, aftershave lotion as well. Very nice. Definitely like that. Yeah, okay, so we have got the stand for the razor. Wow, this is heavy. Wow, I like that. And you got like the sort of wood grain over here in the middle. Very nice. It's very weighty. I like this. And we've got the shaver itself. Very nice, very classic looking. I like that. A good safety razor right there. All metal and a nice wood grain in the middle there. Solid. And there we go. Got like a shaving sort of dish over here for putting shaving cream in. Got some razors as well. Awesome. Let's go put this all down. A second, and there we go. Got the shaving brush as well. I like this. Going with the theme again. It's all like metal, and you got that wood grain in the middle and the handle there. Absolutely nice. This is nice and soft. I like it. Let's get this all unboxed. Give it a bit of a try. At least smell things sort of. All right, there we go. The aftershave lotion. Pretty simple sort of, plastic bottle. It's great. Doesn't need to be ridiculous. I like that. Very simple and very nice and classy sort of presentation. I like it. Got all the ingredients in the back. And you got your directions. Perfect. Can't ask for more. And now here we go with the pre-shave oil. And once again, same sort of thing. You've got the ingredients at the back. You've got the directions as well. And this is like the sandalwood one. So let's give this a good smell. Oh yes, yep. Nice dropper right there. Absolutely love that. Ooh, okay, okay. This is one thing I love about sandalwood. It's so light, woody, and creamy. It's just absolutely amazing. I think, if anything, it's probably one of my favorite woods in terms of like a fragrance oil. Like just how light it is. It works really well in just a lot of sort of very light fragrances, especially when it comes to Issey Miyake. And I think that's the one thing that sort of drew me to that brand, with, you know, that light sort of sandalwood smell along with most of their fragrances. And, you know, it's definitely one of those fragrance notes that hits me every time. I absolutely love it. Let's move on to the next thing. And now we've got the sandalwood shaving cream. Once again, we've got the ingredients at the back. And then we've got the directions as well. Again, a very nice, simple, classy sort of packaging. And we've got a glass bottle right over here. Let's give this one a smell. Okay, it's even better. There we go. Got that nice sort of protection at the top. Great. Ah, that sandalwood again. Seriously, I'm in love with this. Can't wait to actually start using it. This will be awesome. So there we go. That's my unboxing and first impression of the Hustle Grooming Co. products. Once again, I'd like to thank Kieran from the Hustle Grooming Co. for these products. They're absolutely amazing. Really can't wait to dig into them, and I'll leave a link in the description below to their website so you can check out their products as well. And also, there's another page that we also go on that's called the Aussie Fragrance Lounge, and that one's actually started by Mark from Aussie Fragrance. We've got over 1,000 members over there, and it's all about fragrances. We post our scent of the day, scent of the night, etc., and many different types of things. So come join both of our groups. And also, if you like what you see and what you hear, please hit that like button, and please comment below if you've tried any of these products or if you would like to. And please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. We've got many more videos coming to you all about fragrance and grooming products. And hit that notification bell for more fragrant videos and grooming videos coming straight to you. I hope you're all doing well, guys. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video.